My name's Dan Kaslick. I work at Huron Tractor in Exeter, and today we're going to talk about and unpack the home maintenance kit. The home maintenance kit is great for customers who have a lawn tractor or a gator and want to change their engine oil or service their engine on their own. The nice thing about the home maintenance kit is it comes with everything that you're going to need to do that engine service. It's very easy to do. You drain the engine oil, take the filter off, put the new filter on, the plug back in, and then fill it back up. And then we also have the extra parts for that engine. It's important to do those services every year. This is what kind of keeps that engine in great condition and what makes it have that longevity that we come to expect from John Deere. So the home maintenance kit I do recommend for customers who want to do that home maintenance at home, because it's all there for you. You don't have to worry about getting the right components or the right pieces. Just make sure you talk to our parts department, and they'll be happy to get you the correct one for the product you have. We do have multiple kits. You can't just come in and take one off the shelf. We do want to make sure that it does fit the product correctly. Down here at the bottom, okay, of the box here, that is what's going to tell us what product it fits on. All right, so whether it's a John Deere X300 or a John Deere X500 or even a Gator, just make sure we take a look and see what product it's for. Inside the box is going to come with the engine oil filter. So just a normal engine oil filter like you'd find that fits your car or your lawn tractor. That's exactly what comes in it. So we're going to get the engine oil filter right here. Okay. We get the fuel filter, which this fuel filter here is just what goes between the fuel tank and the fuel pump on the machine. The fuel filter is very important because it definitely siphons out anything that's bad in that gas, takes it out. So if there's any bugs or any dirt or anything like that, this fuel filter here is what's going to catch that and protect that engine. It will come with a pair of spark plugs for the engine as well. Spark plugs are very easy to replace. If you have the tool to do it, you can take them off and they come on and off pretty quick and pretty easy. So there will be a pair of spark plugs in there. Depending on the product, we do have some Gators that will have 3 spark plugs, and there'll be 3 plugs in that box as well. All right. It will come with the air filter for the engine. All right, this one's just in the box, so I'll take it out so we can see what it looks like. So this just here just goes as your air filter for the engine. There's also a little kind of like a styrofoam piece that goes around it. Okay, and that's again just protects the filter from getting too much dust or dirt in it. We want to also replace this because this is what keeps the air that's clean that comes into our fuel mix for our engine as well. And then the last thing that we'll have that's in the box is 2 jugs of engine oil. Okay, this is obviously what's going to make that engine work, and it's what's going to run. So this will also come in the maintenance kit for us. So the really nice thing about the home maintenance kit is it comes with everything in it, and it's a lot cheaper than buying it individually. Okay, so we buy all this stuff individually. It's going to cost us a little bit more money. We have to have individual packaging and stuff like that. Whereas everything comes in this real nice little box, and it's quite a bit cheaper. We're talking 30% less. I believe the home maintenance kit's right around $68 versus 92 to $95 to buy it all separately. So you're saving 30% by getting it all in one box.